Introduction to eBay price tracking.
Want to score the best deals on eBay? Keeping track of price history can help you make smarter purchases. In this guide, you'll learn how to use the eBay mobile app's built-in features to monitor price trends, set bidding reminders, and get notified when prices drop, all from your smartphone.
Finding price history in the eBay app.
eBay's mobile app makes it easy to view price trends. When browsing a listing, scroll down to look for sections like Item Price History or Sold Listings. These areas show how much similar items sold for recently, giving you insight into average prices and market trends.
Using the Watch feature.
Not ready to buy? Use the Watch feature. Tap the heart icon on any listing to add it to your watch list. The app will notify you of price drops, ending auctions, or if the seller sends a special offer. This is a simple way to keep tabs on items without making an immediate decision.
Setting bidding reminders.
Don't miss out on auctions you're following. With the eBay app, you can set reminders for auction end times. Tap Watch on an auction listing, and the app will alert you before the listing ends, giving you a chance to place your bid just in time.
Getting the most out of price tracking.
Combine price history, watching, and reminders for the best results. Reviewing recent sold prices helps you recognize good deals, while watchlist notifications and bidding reminders help you act quickly. With these built-in features, the eBay app puts smart shopping tools right at your fingertips.